Welcome back to another episode of the Electrician's Tool Channel. Guys, I apologize if the volume is low or too low that you can't hear it. I really do apologize. I'm recording with my iPhone, and that's what I've been recording with since I've been doing videos. I do have another camera. I just have to get used to it and set it up like, I just have to get used to it. I've gotten so used to recording with the iPhone. So, just I apologize for any inconvenience that may cause for its volume. And, I'll get around to recording with my camera in the near future. So, today I want to do just a little comparison between this Ideal 61-497 true RMS multimeter and the GW INSTEK LCR 915 LCR meter. Now, we're not gonna, since you can't measure voltage with the LCR meter, the only comparison I want to do is can you measure, and I know you can, but I just want to see how accurate it is when you measure using the capacitance function. Now, the multimeter does not measure for ESR or anything like that. So we're just going to do just a basic function, and that'll be just capacitance, microfarads. We're going to see just how accurate the multimeter is against the dedicated capacitance meter. Okay, don't worry about the ESR and all that stuff. We're going to just see how well the multimeter compares up with the dedicated LCR meter. Now, I have a number of electrolytic capacitors here. All of them are of different values. The highest microfarad value is 1,500 microfarads, and I think the lowest I have is 47 microfarads. So I'm using, instead of using the little short alligator clips that you normally see with LCR meters, the little short ones, I'm going to use these right here. This is a pair. I'm going to use these grabbers right here by Fluke. I have both of these are by Fluke, and the test leads are by Ideal. So we're going to use that for both testers. Now, guys, I always ask you to support the channel. And when I say support the channel, I'm not asking for money. Only thing I ask you for is just to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment. All of that is free, and that will help you. That will help the channel grow. That's all I'm doing. So if you can do that, I really appreciate it. I love talking tools. I love doing the little videos that I do, and I love to hear you guys' comments. And I love to respond to them. So if you can do that, I really appreciate it. And now with all that out of the way, let's get to the video. So I'm gonna start off with this microfarad, this is a capacitor right here. It's an electrolytic capacitor, and I have this here for a reason, because sometimes the writing be so small and I can't see it. I don't know if you guys can see on this this microscope screen over here, but I can. So this is going to help me see. This is let me turn this. I don't know if you guys can see that, where it says 200 volts for 1,500 microfarads. By the way, this is a real nice microscope with the screen. That's a 6-inch screen, I think. I can't remember. No, I think it's an 8 or 9-inch screen, but it's a real nice screen, a real nice microscope. 200 volt, 1,500 microfarads. Okay, so I'm gonna start. We're gonna do this one last. We're gonna start from the highest, and this one is 500. And if you can see that, let's see. That's, I just had it here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me try to fix it. 200 volts, 560 microfarads. Put that right here. I have another one for, we're gonna do from the smallest to the highest. I had another one for 1,000. Here we go. This is 1,000 microfarads right here at 35 volts. Okay, so we're gonna do all those. And this one is for, it's 35 volts also, so I'll put it on the side since we already have one. This one is for 15 microfarads, okay? This one for 47, and this one is for, I think, 65. Yeah, 68. 68, 47, and one for 15 microfarads. We're gonna start off from the lowest to the highest, and we're just gonna compare the two. And we're gonna just see how they hold up against each other. Let me see, I should do some recording here. Yeah, why not? Why not? And I'm gonna get another meter out and we'll just see which one come the closest and the tiebreaker. Okay, so let's start with the ideal first. And I'm gonna go through all of the devices, components, I mean, and we're gonna see just, okay. Let me make sure I got it right. There we go. All right. This one here is for 15. Let me show them all out to make sure, because I didn't do that. Don't want to damage my LCR meter. Let me just show them all out. Okay, here we go. 1 second, let me close this door. So I hear my daughter coming in. I don't want to interrupt me. Okay, here we go. All right. 15 microfarad. Let me see. All right, it says 1739 for the 15 microfarad. Okay, let me get 15 UF. It says 1739. And so let me, the next one would be 1,000. I'm not putting them in, I'm just grabbing them. 1,000. Guess it's got to charge it up. Yeah, there we go. Point, where's the one for 1,000? And this is the ideal. 1,000 is 0.964. Okay. The one just 68 right here. 66.8. That's 68. 66.8. Okay. This for 47 microfarads. farads. 43.7, 43.7. Okay. This is for 560 microfarads. What was it? 560. Yeah, 560. And we got 0.59.509. Now we have the last one, which will be 1,500 microfarads, and we're going to see just how well it fares out with this one. 1,500 microfarads. Okay. All right. 1.410. 1.410. Okay. GW. Next, let me show them all out again. We start over and we'll see just how well the dedicated, the LCR meter does with these capacitors. Guys, I want to thank you for letting me take your time up. I do. I know my videos are not long as some people or some that other videos that's on YouTube. But, you know, it is what it is. I'm just glad that you like them, and I'm glad that you are watching them because I like making them. Okay, so let's do this one. Let's do the I know you're probably also saying these two meters look alike. Well, they are. You're right. They're made by APA. It's a company, I can't remember where it's from. I want to say the UK. I could be wrong, but APA. And it's a rebrand by both companies. It's a rebrand by GW INSTEK and a rebrand by Ideal Industries, which is the headquarters here in the United States. But now, let's do the, I'm going to try to go in the same order what we did before. The 15 microfarad. Here it is right here. So let's, and this is automatic, everybody. This is automatic, so it's gonna rush. Let me just short it out just to be honest. Tell you what. Let me do it. Let me short it out the correct way. That way we won't have any. Hold on 1 second. Here we are. Am I doing it right? I forgot. Pencil. There we go. There we go. It failed because I should have did it first like this. You wanted to do it in an open position. There we go. Be about 30 seconds, fellas. Just bear with me. Okay, past that. Shorting. There we go. By the way, for y'all who don't know, this is a shorting bar right here. It does the same with just null. What it does is it just nulls the instrument to zero it out, calibrate it, make sure everything's working properly. Okay, so it passed. So we're ready to go. Okay, guys. All right, so that's the 15 volt, microfarad would be right here. So all right, 15 volts. 15 microfarads. You're saying 16.7, okay. 16.768. Okay, let's go to the 1,000 volt, which will be next. It'll be this one. Okay. Thousand microfarads is giving me 921.5. Okay, let's go with the 68 microfarad. I saw it. Where did he go though? Oh, here we go. 68. Okay. $64.91. Okay, we're 47. Let's go to one from 47 microfarads. That should be this one. Am I right? Yeah. This is 42.14. Tell you, it's a big difference. I'm looking at, so we're gonna need a tiebreaker for sure. Let's go to the one that's 560 microfarads. Okay. It's 497. 2. All right, try the one for 1,500 microfarads. And We'll see just how well it does on this one. That's 1347. Point, I'm gonna say 0.3. Okay, so I do need a tiebreaker, and what I'm gonna do is go out. I'm gonna get another LCR meter, and we'll go with that. Give me a second. Let me pull out one. I'm gonna use this BK Percision, and instead of going find batteries to put it in, I'm gonna just plug it in because this is what I normally use it with the AC port, and we'll just see which one of these meters that they're more accurate of the two. Okay. Okay. Now I also use this to short it out. Okay, so it's all shorted out, ready to go. All right, now let's use these cables. Same ones. We'll see. Just which one is the most accurate out of the two. So let me, bear with me guys, let me just short these out again. Okay, let me push it back a little so you guys can see. Let me take a look at the camera. Yeah, but you can't see. Okay, so I'll bring this one up a little bit. Hopefully you can see that. Let's see. All right. So we're going to start off in the same order with the rest of them. Let's try with the 15 microfarad first, and we'll work our way to the last one, and we'll see. So, 15. I think it's this one. This is, okay, so let's see. Okay, that's 15 microfarad. $17.03. Let's go to the 1,000 microfarad. It should be this one. And we'll see what it says. No, 969. 967.2. Okay, let's go to the 68 microfarad. Okay, 67.1. We'll go with that. I'm writing all of them down, guys, so I want to, let's go for the 47. This is the 47 right here. Remember, I just want to see which ones, how well this multimeter does against this 47. 43.44. 43.4. No, 43.50. Okay. 560. This big boy here. 513.3. Oh no, let's drop. Let me say 508 then. Okay, 508. Okay, 0.8. Go 508.8. The last one would be the 1500 microfarad, and then we'll just compare what I wrote down. And that's for 1500 microfarads. All right, that's 1392. Okay. All right. That's all of the testing. So between the three, I'm gonna give you the results right here. You might can't read my handwriting, but I'll try to for you guys. The ideal for 15 microfarads, it put out 17.39 microfarads. The GW INSTEK right here, it put out 16.768, and the BK Percision put out 17.3 microfarads. So I would say that, which one you would say that's closer? I would say the ideal got that one. Okay, the next was 1,000 microfarads. You got 0.964. You got 921.5, and this got 967. I would say the ideal got that also. 68 microfarads, 66.8, 64.9, 67.1. I would say the multimeter have that too. On 47 microfarads, it got 43.7. And for the GW 47, you got 42.14. For the BK Precision, which is the last one we compared it to, you got 43.5. And I would say the ideal have that one also. So the last two more, 560 microfarad, you got 0.59, you got 497.2, and you got 508 right here. I would say that ideal got that one. Okay, the 1500 microfarad, you got 1410, you got 1347, and you got 1392. Now, if you just want to go with just the four numbers, I would say maybe, all right, let's just say the GW INSTEK have that one. I would give that to this one. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I guess, no, because this is that's 50 something points lower. Well, to be honest, that's, let me see, 92, 47, that's 8, that's 5, that's 9, and this, what did I say, 42, 47. 45 points lower than this one. And right here, I would be, yeah, 1410, 1392. Yeah, I would be, what, 18 points off, something like that. So you got to give it to, no, you have to go to this one. You would have to go to, I would give it to the ideal. So overall, the multimeter has done better than the LCR meter. Just, I mean, all the way down the line, testing these electrolytic capacitors. I'm not talking about the other features on it, the ESR measurements. I'm not talking about that. So because if you want to check, check that and whatever you're doing, yes, you want yourself a dedicated LCR meter. But just for the measurement, microfarad measurements, I think this meter did pretty well. And this like I said, this is an ideal meter. They have some other meters that will be even better than this, the Flukes or the some of the other name brands out there that may come even closer than what this one did. But this one did okay. So out of the to answer my own question, yes, I think you could measure. Well, we know you can measure a capacitor with a multimeter, but I think it's safe to say that you can rely on a good measurement also, an accurate measurement also from that multimeter. Depends on what multimeter. I know this one, but I'm thinking just about any reputable multimeter, I think you'll get a good reading off of while measuring a capacitor, electrolytic capacitor, or a run or start capacitor, like for AC units or what have you. So guys, I just want to thank you for letting me take up your time and do this little experiment. So I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it. So don't forget to leave a comment if it's something I did right or wrong. Just leave a comment. If something you want to ask me, do so. Let's talk twos. So until next time, guys, you guys take care, and peace out.